Let's go. So I came here to check out this place. There is a little bitty dam here. It looks like a good spot to fly. It's a beautiful morning. It's supposed to rain hard this afternoon. So I figure I could come and do some flying before the rain comes. A lot of people riding bikes, so I have to be careful with that. There is a bridge under the highway. I would like to see if I can go through it without losing a signal. I am not sure. Okay, I lost a satellite. Well, I don't need to worry about that, obviously. Power lines? Woo! That was sketchy right there. Hello birds, you wanna hang out? I guess he likes it, look at him. That's pretty cool. That's the Addicts Dam. I can't fly right on top of the dam. Started losing signal here because I'm right behind the dam. Cool. Super cool, I like it. Flying under trees. That's where the fun is. I love flying trees. Flying top of water is not so comfortable to do. Make sure no one is here. Okay, no one is here. This is a nice tree right here. But it's very low. Cool. Super cool. Yeah, this is very long. I think going upstream looks more cool. Woo! Man, I didn't see those power lines to the last second, I swear. Luckily, I'm not sure if there was an accident or I saved it the last second. Oh, those power lines, they were really crazy. I hate power lines. Flying sideways. Woo! This is really cool, y'all. Show you the area. Like it. Well, that's it for today. I got the low battery already, and I hope you enjoyed this flight. It's kind of cinematic flight, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.